Hello and welcome back for Lesson 1-3 Practice 3 using IntelliCAD, provided by CAD Manufacturing Solutions. I'm Tracy and we'll continue practicing with modifying commands and object snaps. We're drawing a rectangle here that we're going to start practicing with, and remember that you can use the reference @ symbol to reference your last coordinate. And also remember that after your second to last endpoint you've entered, you can use the C command to close the shape you're drawing. We're going to practice our offset command using 4 units. So what this does is for every line segment we select, it's going to draw 4 units in the direction that we move our cursor. To demonstrate that this worked properly, we're going to use our dimension tool, and I'm going to show you each of these segments. So far, the dimension of our line in between each of these segments is 4 units, and this is true for the first 4 that we measure. I'm going to reset the offset function, and instead now we're going to offset by 2 units. Once that's done, I'm going to grab our bottom line and drag that upwards and create an offset every 2 units. Again, to demonstrate that this worked properly, I'm going to grab our linear dimension tool and start measuring the line segments along the right-hand side of our shape. As you can see here, they each measure up to 2 units. Now that our dimensions are labeled, I just want to show you again how easy this is to offset. So we're going to reset the offset tool to 3 units and drag upwards from that bottom line, and it goes up 3 units. Then if we wanted to, we could select a number of these segments and use the trim command in order to start trimming off segments that we don't want. As we wrap up Lesson 1-3, I want to thank you so much for learning with us. We'd like to remind you to stay up to date about our software news at intellicadms.com. See you at our next training session.